so boom. I'll get y'all a IG real quick, Instagram or some shit, phone number, something like that. For sure. But that motherfucker.
That's why I just send him to get your Instagram.
Yeah, you can get that, but we ain't gonna. Yeah, you can. But.
Yo YouTube, it's your boy the Most Team. It's been back with another video, man. And by the title of the video, man, y'all know what we doing in this bitch on some shit, you feel me? But look though, today me and God, we gonna be trolling, you feel me? We don't really troll like that on video, but we trolls in real life though. But look, y'all see this right here, man? Got a little flip phone. Just add 2 and 2 together, man. Y'all know what we doing today, man. But look though, appreciate all the attention I've been getting, all the love I've been getting on the YouTube shit, man. I'm gonna blow soon, I'm telling y'all, man. Me and the God's gonna blow, you feel me? Shit like that, but yeah, man, let's get into the video, man. I ain't gonna be yapping, you feel me? Let's get straight into it, man. On some shit, let's do it. Alright, so I'm here with
Shania. Tessa.
Alright, so I'm saying though, like, don't lie either, do not lie. What's the freakiest shit y'all done before?
No. I don't know.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
I don't know. What? We high.
I know, I can see. But I'm saying though, like, for real though. On the scale of 1 to 10, rate me real quick, rate me. On some flash.
You're a little cool, 9.
Nah.
I said 9.5. Oh, it's the same.
9.5. Alright, so boom. I'll get y'all a IG real quick, Instagram or some shit, phone number, something like that. For sure. Put that motherfucker. Damn, why you getting the phone back? Damn. Y'all lock? Damn, I can get y'all number? Fuck no. Negative.
Your chop must be doing somersaults with a flip phone.
Damn, bro.
Lay?
Alright.
Not shit.
Alright, what's something you never told your mom before? What's something you never told your mom before?
I snuck out. Shit.
I'm saying, okay, you look good. Like, you wanna give me a number?
Don't play with it.
This for real?
You already have it.
I'm not.
I think I lost it.
Oh, really? Okay, I'm gonna text you.
Alright, it's not. You get to right now, cuz.
Right now?
Right here. I got you.
I'm gonna text you.
Oh, really? I got you, cuz.
No, I'm gonna text
My
you.
phone right here in my pocket, cuz.
Check it out. Bye. Goodbye.
Alright, today I'm here with
Nature.
Alright, question of the day is what is the freakiest shit you ever did?
The gay's head in the bathroom.
Oh, but like, hold on, I'm on my phone out though. I was wondering, like, can I get your number though? Hold on, what that bitch talk? Okay. God, you gotta put that there. God, that bit work. Oh, that bit might be dead though. My bad.
Alright, so boom, I'm here with.
A Ruby.
So I'm saying though, like, what's the freakiest shit you done before? Don't lie, don't.
By that face she made, she most fucking on, bro.
I don't do that. I don't do that.
But I'm saying though, like, rate me 1 through 10 real quick. Rate me 1 through 10.
You? You like a 8, cause I don't do that.
So boom, like, you feel like your little IG or something like that?
Huh?
I get your IG or something like that?
Mine?
Yeah, your IG.
You want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. Put that in my phone.
They, I don't know what the fuck going on, cause they just started looking on, bro.
What you on, bro? Put that in my phone real quick. Put that in my phone, you feel me?
Man, y'all laughing, bro? Y'all don't fuck with it? God damn, that's how it is? Damn, that was a fail, you feel me? But shit, fuck it though. Yo. So, bro, like, you know, I seen you and shit, cause like wondering I can get your number and some shit.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Stop the cap.
I'm too young. Bro, you feel me? I can still get your Instagram. You feel me? That's crazy. Instagram not crazy. How old you is?
Grown.
What is grown? Like 18?
Yeah.
I don't put
I don't like young boys though, for real. Like,
my birthday soon.
when your birthday?
It's like in 2 months. Like, what's up, bro?
I mean, you can follow me on Instagram, but we can't. I'll
Follow
follow
you?
you back.
That's why I just send him to get your Instagram.
Yeah, you can get that, but yeah, you can. But you can.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit hurted my eyes so much, bro. I had to go back in time and fix that shit.
Wait, I'm here with.
Amari.
Alright, so like on a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate me?
You trying to get me in trouble? I wrote you like an 8.
Alright. So like, can I get your number? Like, what's bullshit? Like, we can be friends. We can be friends.
Friends. I guess.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, I put my number in.
Hold on. That motherfucker down. Shit, my shit died. Hold on.
Damn.
Damn. Alright, that.
You missed a once in a lifetime opportunity.
I know it.
Stop the cap.
A few moments later.
Come on, fat eye nigga, bro. They be like, what's your name and shit? You know, shit like that, and then pull the flip phone out, block your number, or like some shit like that, and then pull the flip phone out. Wait. Yeah, so right now, man, I'm playing a game and shit. This man running from the thing, bitch. I'm about to slide on this motherfucker, though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy, man. Fuck nigga ass, I ain't gonna lie to you. Walk over this shit, these boys whooping and shit. Damn. Damn, bro. You fucking ass, bro. This nigga ass, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, did the fucking ass. What the fuck? Run it back one time, you feel me? Yeah, these boys hooping and shit, man. I got money on my dog Pt.2. You feel me? Yeah, bro. Let me see. That boy got 12. Look where I got fucking 16, baby. That's what I'm saying. Like, you feel me? But yo, though, you feel me? Just dropping balls and shit. It's all y'all. And that nigga just missed for that man. Come on, you selling that boy, bro. On camera. You quit. Yes, This man is lost back to back, bro. Back to back, bro. Oh, hell nah, bro. That man is lost back to back, bro. Come on, man. You can't be doing that shit.
Don't fuck with just these niggas fake. Just take a look, just watch them. Where these niggas at? act like they your dog, but they just leeching off your plate. Until you call your day one nigga come to find out he a snake. Ain't never had no love for me, you only here cause I got